Hey everyone, welcome back to the Retouch for Me channel. Today we have some exciting news. You can now retouch your photos for free directly on our website without even needing to register. Let me show you how quick and easy it is. First, head over to the Retouch for Me website. As you scroll down, you'll see some amazing before and after examples of what our AI-powered retouching can do. Right below those examples, you'll find a button that says, Try on your photo. Just click on that. In this section, you can upload your own photos to be retouched by our AI. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll have access to 3 powerful plugins. Heal. This plugin is great for removing skin imperfections and blemishes. Dodge and Burn. Use this to even out skin tones and balance the overall lighting. Portrait Volumes. Perfect for adding depth and contour to your portraits, giving them a more professional look. All you have to do is drag and drop your photo here, and let the AI do the rest. It's that simple. You can upload up to 5 photos per day in JPG or PNG format, and each photo can be up to 20 megabytes in size. Export resolution is up to 1200 pixels. When your photo is ready, you can compare the results, see how the plugins work individually, and fine-tune them. Then just click Download, and it's yours. And that's it. No registration, no fees, just high-quality AI retouching, completely free. Give it a try today by visiting retouch4.me, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy retouching!